Hi everyone, Gian here. So let's talk about it's not what happened, but on what to do. So why do people experience things but different result? Normal na may nakapareha tayong pangyayari sa buhay natin. Pero bakit nangyayari magkaiba yung resulta? Then most of us, we try to do things positive based on what the negative happened to us. We learn from it. And there is always vice versa. Na we do experience positive things, but we do negative things. There is always two sides of the coin. May dalawang klase ng face. May dalawang klase ng reaction na based dun sa nangyayari sa buhay natin. We have to be aware or be mindful on the situations that happen to us. Sabi nila, we never foresee what happens in the future. Only God foresee the future. But we can do is we can prepare for that situations that happens to us. We can measure things on the things that we can do based on what happened. We can always choose the better in both side that happens, either positive or negative. There is always a better things that we can do. So what you will do is what reaction you can take place in both situation. Be prepared in the future so that times comes you will know what is the best thing that you can do, and for sure there always you can do something about it. And it always boils down on what not what happened, but on what to do in your life. Always think that you can do something about it. You can measure things based on what happened to you. Be mindful and be prepared.